Hair is moving. This is party space. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I'm coming back with another wig review, and it's going to be 100% human hair wig review. 100% human hair, yes, you heard right, from Elva Hair collection, and I'm so excited to just try this on. By the way, disclaimer, this wig was sent to me, so I'm so excited, guys. It is 100% human hair. Let's just go straight to unboxing this. So it came in less than, I'll say, 8 working days for me. 8 working days. So yeah, let's just unbox this beauty. Oh, okay. The wig comes packed like so. It comes with a brand new comb, which we like, so we're gonna keep. I'm gonna keep. It comes with an elastic band that you can attach to your wig, sew it into your wig to have a more secure snap on your head. And yeah, we're gonna keep it, but don't really need that much. I've got plenty to do. Oh, and it comes with a headband. We already know the drill. We don't need that for now. Let's just go straight into the construction of the wig. This is a lace wig. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the center of the wig, and another comb at the back of the wig with adjustable straps. So this wig is totally secure, and on top of that, they also provide you with an elastic band. If you really want to secure it even further, you can do that by sewing it in yourself. So this is like for a mixed race girl, okay? And we're dark, so we gotta work with what God gave us, okay? So we're just gonna put a little bit of powder. I'm gonna go straight and do that. So I'm just gonna use a brush, and I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder. We all know I love this powder. Goodness. Dab, 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 dab. Turn the hair, and we're gonna be doing this. Dab, 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 dab. What this does, it's just gonna tint the lace to our actual skin tone color, which is what we want, because we want to make it look as more natural as possible. So once you're satisfied in dabbing all your powder in the parting, what we're gonna keep, as you can see, so now I've tinted to my skin tone color, which blends more. We are gonna use our Got to Be Glue spray hold and just spray it over where we put the powder. What this does by spraying over, you're just gonna lock in the tint, the colors so that they don't just move like me. I mean, it works for me, okay? We're just gonna do that. So all that dabbing that we didn't do it in vain. It's gonna lock it in and it's gonna stay put, and we're gonna have this that looks like we bleached. Not when we didn't, we just took a shortcut. But before we lay that out, sorry guys, we're gonna use our Got to Be Glue, the glue version, and apply it on our hairline like so. Just apply a generous amount, guys. You gotta be able to apply it, okay? We want the glue to be tacky. At the moment it's still jelly. I want it to be really sticky. When it becomes, is when it's ready. Bring it forward like so. Bring it all the way forward, guys. Don't be shy now. Press it like so. Now, sorry guys, I'm just holding my wig cap at the back because I want it to really pull, so I'm just helping it pull. Now you're gonna use your Got to Be Glue spray, and you're just gonna go over it, guys. My spray is finishing. I use this religiously, honestly. So you just spray over it. I don't have enough of it, so ruin our makeup, right? But it's fine. We're gonna use powder to fix it. I usually do this step before makeup. Dab it, and then dab it all over, the cap. We just have to do the front part because the wig is only a front door, is a 13 by 6. We don't have to do the whole head, so don't waste all your foundation for that. Once you apply the comb at the back, this is how the wig is looking. All this lace we're gonna cut it off, but look how nice it's already looking here. It's looking so realistic, guys. So exciting. I'm excited. For the second stage, we're gonna use the gel, so they're gonna be with gel. Apply the glue on top of the hairline, like so. We should be ready to go with the comb. I'm gonna use a detangler because I want the hair to come out and poofy like the pictures. So I'm just gonna brush it backward. Brush it backward. Yes, it's coming out. Guys, we're gonna have it as a middle part. Ah, just burnt my scalp. Ah. The hot comb is really hot, guys. It's really hot. Just to lay them down like you want them, so I can't explain how amazing it is. Wow. Look at those curls. Look how beautiful those are, and it's not even shedding yet. I'm still waiting for the shedding. It's not shedding. So this hair comes in 3 different lengths. It comes in a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and 14-inch. What I'm rocking at the moment, I'm rocking the 14-inch. This hair is beautifully long. It's so long. Guys, I want it more poofy. I need it poofy. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hair product, which I really love. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use Screw It, which is like a detangler, is hydrating oil gel for the curls. I use on my natural hair. Like I told you before on this channel already, this product is marvelous. It's so hydrating. It smells delicious. Huh. I don't know what perfume to put in this, but see, everywhere now smells like fresh because of this. It smells fresh. It smells nice. It smells like you had 10 showers on a roll. That's how it smells like. 10 showers on a roll. Oh. Hairs don't really need much product. All you need is that Screw It product that's gonna nourish your hair, and just water. That's all you need for the curls. This is truly amazing. Look at this. Look how amazing this product is. Look, this wig is amazing. This is 180 density, 100% human hair. Comes with the ombre already done for you. Look how lovely this is. I need to give it the 360, honestly. You really have to see. Check this out, guys. Let's just check. Let's just check the parting. You see the parting space, easy. You can see how natural it looks from any part. We part this. Let's part it from here. The hair is soft. The hair is amazing. Look how easily you can pour. Look how natural it looks. Let me show you from the side part. So let me just try and style it a little bit with my scarves. Okay. So the one side, and then I call this the JoJo. If if you know that little girl from Dance Mom, like I'll show you how to do it. So it's on one side and then you just do a big bow, like so. You do a nice big bow. You need pin, grab it, do a messy tuck. So it looks like a messy bow, and you just tie that here. You could leave some of the curls out. So this is a style. This is how it looks. With this out, we can do a half up and half down. So let me just show you that. Up, half down. Oh, bad. I don't exercise clearly. So guys, I can't find my elastic band. Honestly, I've lost my elastic band. I keep on saying I need to go buy one, but I forget. So you can just, okay, let's just do, oh, I'm tired. Pin it. Guys, hold on, I need to breathe. Oh. You can do a style like that. I just didn't do it nicely. But guys, y'all get the picture of what I meant. Y'all get the picture, yeah? You can do it tight. I just did it loose because I would have done it tight if I have the elastic band, but I can't find it, guys. My arms are in pain. Honestly, don't exercise. So yeah. Oh, let's try something else. This hair is truly amazing. So really thank you to Elva Hair for sending me the. Oh my goodness. The hair is drying now and it's drying so beautifully. It's giving me the volume that I want. Mind you, this is 180% density. So it's really full. To me it actually looks 200, but they wrote 180, so we go with what they wrote. They said 180, it must just be 180. Because the hair is lovely. This especially on me, this is the kind of hair that I rock. This is the kind of hair that looks good on me. Do you understand? Let me just bring it up forward. Like, do you understand? This is my, with the wind coming and the hair is moving. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Da, 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 da. I never know the lyrics of songs. Look how nice. Going with the wind. Seriously, guys, this hair is lovely. Sorry for my squeaky chair. I honestly have to go and oil that chair. It's giving me grief. But this is how nice this is looking. Winter is coming, guys, so if you like to win a brand new wig, make sure that you're a subscriber of this channel, that you like and comment all my videos, and that you also follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is gonna be right here, Kitty Friendly, so just go and check it out and follow me. So guys, yes, this is gonna be a roundup of this video. You check out on the description box below. I'll provide you with all the links of where you can get this beautiful hair, or they have different ranges of hair as well. So if you want to purchase something totally different, then do you boo. Did you subscribe to my channel yet? Did you subscribe to my channel? I have a main series every Monday with affordable wigs below £60. All wigs reviewed on a Monday are below £60. Any other wig that I review during the week are higher than £60, but still within the affordability reach. Bye, thank you for joining me today.